Everybody, we're in Worcester, Massachusetts. Thursday night, August 9th. Here comes the lakeshore. It's about an hour late. By the way, if you're watching this on YouTube, when we post it on YouTube, please be kind enough to subscribe to the channel. That'd be great. So it looks like it's got, this is a new configuration because it doesn't go to New York City anymore. So got a lot of sleepers on the back here. And, wow, we only got one engine. 182. Looks like we got a couple extra cars on the back too. So, coach, diner car. Yeah, this is probably the lounge car here. Yep. Oh, it says diner on it. That's interesting. Diner. And then sleeper 1, sleeper 2. And 2 more cars back here. I don't know what those are for. But normally it ends with the coaches, with the sleepers. Well, there goes the lakeshore. Train 448. Just about an hour and a half late. Going to Boston. It's got Framingham, Back Bay, South Station. That's it. So, everybody, let's go training.